a quick tutorial on how to shuffle. During the shuffle, your foot goes in one of 4 positions. The first position is forward, second is center, third is back, and fourth is up, and I'm going to call that flamingo. So it goes forward, center, back, flamingo, forward, center, back, flamingo. Now when this leg is in flamingo, your opposite leg is always in that center position. Trying it with the other foot as well, we're going to start forward and back. So as that foot slides to center, your opposite leg goes to flamingo. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Getting into it is a little bit tricky. So start with your legs in that far split position. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. So it's 1, slide center, back, flamingo, forward, center, back, flamingo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.